Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the application of integration. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. The question they mentioned about find the area bounded by the x-axis, the y-axis, the line y equals to number 3 and the curve y equals to the square root of x minus 2. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to graph all the lines and the curve. So we know that we have the line y equals to number 3, so we put number 3 in here, and the curve that's about y equals to the square root of x minus 2. So we need to know that at x equal to number 2 you got y equal to number 0. About the graph, it should be like this. And now we have the area bounded by x-axis. This is about x, and y-axis. This is about y, and the area we need to find that should be in this one. So we know that we have number 2 in here, and now we can create the integral. We have the integral from 0 to number 2, and we have number 3 in here. That's about 3 dx. Next, we need to find the intersection between y equals to number 3 and y equals to the square root of x minus 2. So we got about 3 equals to the square root of x minus 2. So you got about 9 equals to x minus 2. And the value of this one, we put negative number 2, go to number 9, and you got about x equal to 11. And now we got about the integral from number 2 to 11. And we know this is about y equal to number 3. So number 3 minus the square root of x minus 2, because y equals to number 3 is above the curve in here. That's why you got 3 minus the square root, and we have dx. So this one you got about 3x, and we have the bounds that's about from 0 to number 2. Next, about this one, we got about 3x. About the square root, we can put about x minus 2 to the power of 1 over 2. So you got about x minus 2 to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1. So in this situation, you got about 3 over 2. This one you got about 3 over 2. And we put the bounds in here. That's about number 2 and 11. This one you got about 6. This one you got about number 9. So you got about 15. And this is the final answer.